everyone, I am so glad that you are here today because we are going to be working on some easy and stunning nail art that can be used for really any season, but I chose fall colors to show you how to do this design. So these are all chrome powders from Magpie, and instead of burnishing them into a no wipe top coat, we're going to tap them onto the inhibition layer of, in this case, a black gel polish. So using my Magpie Applicator, I am just picking up a little bit of the chromes that are in the lids so that I can disperse them onto the nail. I first went in with Elizabeth, which is a beautiful gold, and then I went in with Audrey, and now for Molly and Suki. Molly and Suki are part of the Too Faced holographic chrome collection, and they don't have a ton of pigment payoff when you use them in this method, but it is going to give that muted fall look, which is what I was going for. Now I'm choosing to put this over one single layer of Magpie Black Betty. I'm not wanting to add too much thickness, so I started with one layer of a very pigmented black. Black Betty is a fantastic option for that. And then you will just gently drag off any of the excess. Now I'm wanting to add some foil, so I'm going to need a sticky layer. This is Magpie Get Foiled, which does require a 2-minute cure in an LED lamp. Keeping with the fall leaf type of theme that I was going for, I chose fall colors in the Magpie foils. So that was Lisa Marie, which is a holographic orange, and let's just say for a moment, she is so pretty, so pretty. And then we went in with Lilly Ann, which is the traditional gold. Now this is Etta Rose, which is a matte rose gold, and you can't even really see that it's on there, but once you put Eade Rose over it, it kind of creates this dimension that is very cool on the nail. Isn't that so pretty? The depth is incredible. So once you have everything where you like it, then you would just cover this with a layer of Don't Be Tacky, which is a 60-second cure in an LED lamp, and it is super, super shiny. I wanted to show you one more option, which is a half and half design, and here I'm using more of a purple palette, some of the beautiful purple chromes from Magpie, and we're going to do the same technique except we're only going on half of the nail. So dabbing those on, and you don't have to be too precise because soon, this is currently one layer of Black Betty, but soon we're going to cover that other half with another layer. So I'm just going to let you watch and enjoy. So now that you have given that Get Foiled a full cure, which is 2 minutes in an LED lamp, then you are going to go in and lightly but firmly, so you'll want to press down and pull up, but we're just using tiny little pieces of foil just to get that really cool dual layer effect. Now that we have our foil in place, we're going to cover up that other half with black. This is where I said you didn't have to be extremely precise with your chrome application because we are going to be cleaning up the other half so that our nail isn't bumpy, meaning that one side has an extra layer of gel with the Get Foiled and the other half is a single layer of Magpie Black Betty. So we're going to even everything out by adding one more layer, give this a full cure for 60 seconds in an LED lamp. And then I wanted to blend the line. So right down the middle, I am gently tapping this foil directly onto the sticky inhibition layer of Black Betty. The effect of this is so beautiful, especially for the amount of work it was, right? Such an easy design for your clients. Once you have everything in place, you will cover this in a layer of Magpie Don't Be Tacky, which is a 60-second LED cure or a 2-minute UV cure. All of these products are available for North America at magpiebeautyusa.com. And if you ever have any questions or need our help, we're happy to help. You can email us at info@magpiebeautyusa.com.